Melissa from Buckeye Girls Lifestyle, and this is the 7 days of tablescapes. And today is traditional tablescapes. Our host is Creatively Miss Me, Decorating on a Budget, Stephanie. Please check out her amazing channel and the playlist. Today I did a red and green elf tablescape. What says traditional, but red and green for Christmas. Okay, here is our traditional red and green elf and Santa Claus tablescape. Because Santa stops here, and here's our little boy and girl elf. Here we go. This is where we got everything. The napkin holder is from Hobby Lobby. Napkins. Those were after Christmas at Michael's. At Homes for the plates after Christmas. And I think I got these at the Hobby Lobby too. Amazon for the silverware. Amazon for the little stockings to put your silverware in. I got the green tablecloth at Hobby Lobby after Christmas last year. The sign and these elves was from Big Lots at the end of the season. And this garland was from Michael's. And this was from the thrift store. So that's where I got everything. And I think this is a super cute table. This shows you that just a couple simple items and you can make a beautiful centerpiece or a very whimsical centerpiece like I did. Tell me what you think. Do you like it? It would be really adorable to just do the centerpiece for an entryway table or a console table for Christmas too. You wouldn't have to do a tablescape. You do it for your tablescape if you didn't want. But that would be cute for an entryway or a console table as well if you didn't want to do it as your tablescape.
to a